Hi, my name is Françoise, and today I'm going to show you how to make binding from small pieces of fabric. First step is to cut your fabric in a rectangular shape and to draw lines using a long ruler. A 3 cm wide band makes folding and sewing the binding easier. If you cut the bands too narrow, it's going to be hard to manipulate when sewing. Make sure that you leave a seam allowance on both sides. Make sure you leave a seam allowance that's between 1 and 1.5 centimeters on both sides. If you're left-handed, you bring the left first line dot with the right second line dot. If you're right-handed, you bring the left second line with the right first line. Since I'm right-handed, I'm doing the right first line with the left second line. Pin matching both dots and make sure all the other lines match up and align. Once you're finished pinning and aligning all your lines, you sew your seam allowance right over here. By connecting the first line to the next, it joins all of them together and creates one long strip. So this creates a long strip of fabric, so you find the end. So you gotta fold 3 times. Fold from the right, fold from the left, and fold those two together, and then you sew them together. So you fold from the right, fold from the left, and then you refold them again together. Now you're ready to sew, and there's your binding. So fold from the right, fold from the left, and fold again, and sew. So repeat this all the way through the band. And now you made binding. Thanks for watching. Till next project.